Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved my Marley twist, and yeah, keep watching. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved my Marley twist on 3 or 4 week old twist. I've had these in for about 3 or 4 weeks. So here I'm just taking down a twist in the front so you guys can see how I achieve the twist with twisting at the beginning. So here I'm just taking the braid out. I have some dirt built up because these twists are about 3 to 4 weeks old. So I'm just going to try to remove some of that. Okay, and after I remove some of the dirt, I'm going to split the hair into pieces. So here I'm showing you I'm splitting the hair into pieces. I'm going to take the Marley hair. I'm going to lay it flat to my scalp, and I'm going to twist one end as I hold the other one. So whatever way you're going to twist your braids, you're going to twist the hair the opposite. So here I'm twisting the other piece, and then afterwards I'm going to show you guys how it looks, and I'm going to twist them both together. And I'm going to just continue to twist, as you can see. So when you are twisting, it will twist your hair at the root, and it can become really painful. So usually what I do is I put a hair clip at the root to stop my hair from pulling and to stop the twist from twisting so I don't hurt myself. So I would advise you to do the same thing. Here I'm just looking at the camera, noticing how crazy I look, but I just wanted to record this video and get it up for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy.